In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Nudges reminders to reply. If your inbox tends to get crowded and important messages slip through the cracks, Gmail's Nudges can be a quiet lifesaver. Nudges surface messages you may need to reply to or follow up on by gently highlighting them near the top of your inbox. Let's walk through how to turn this on so Gmail can help you stay on top of conversations. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. Sign into your account if you aren't already. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon for settings. A quick settings panel will appear. From there, click the option labeled See All Settings to open the full settings page. This is where all the detailed controls live. When the full settings page opens, you'll land on the General tab by default. That's exactly where we want to be, so there's no need to change tabs. Now scroll down the page until you find a section called Nudges. If you have a lot of settings to scroll through, you can use your browser's Find feature and search for the word Nudges to jump right to it. In the Nudges section, you'll see two options. The first is Suggest Emails to Reply to. Turn this on if you want Gmail to remind you about emails you received but haven't replied to yet. The second is Suggest Emails to Follow Up on. Turn this on to get reminders about emails you sent that haven't received a response. You can enable both for the most coverage, or choose just the one that fits your workflow. When these are on, Gmail may bring older threads back to your attention with a subtle note like Received X days ago or Sent X days ago, helping you spot messages that need attention without cluttering your inbox. After you've made your selections, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This part is important. If you leave the page without saving, your choices won't stick. Once saved, Nudges will start working in the background. You won't see an immediate pop-up. Instead, Gmail will begin highlighting relevant emails over time based on your activity. That's it. You've turned on Nudges and given Gmail permission to help you stay on top of replies and follow-ups. If you ever feel the reminders are too frequent, you can return to the same section and uncheck either option. Simple, effective, and one less thing to worry about in your inbox.